por baban kisngi. Awan lam shipi da unang yalam ni.
Haus snem arjar kadnyaw hadu Desember ila pelut shipawajar krur. Nakabenta ka financial health. Ka financials jong usnem arjar absan arpundru. Kajing pelut nang ta usnem hadu Desember kalong ar plajar saus pa kandai pendru krur. Pat menta ka snem hadu Desember ka bangila pelut kalong hadu ar plajar saus pa kandai po pendru krur. Batang hau penai Desember kajing pelut kala cross ar hajar krur. Kabakan tup na duk kajing siw tulop ikinong tray bat kabil na kabenta ka department. Ong ukon rat.
In 2017, when the previous government was there, up to December 2026, there was an expenditure of 10,000 crores that the government spent. 2017, up to December. Financial year 2025-26, this year that is, our total expenditure from that time 10,000 crores, and I'm talking about actual expenditure, I'm not talking about budget, these are money we spent. Our expenditure this year till December has been 23,496 crores. So that time it was 10,000 crores, 10,967, and this year till now we have spent 23,496 crores. That's the expenditure we have had. If we talk of the expenditure just in December month, only December month alone, we have spent close to 2,000 crores in this month of December. Just December month. That includes 2 months of salary for employees. That includes, I don't have the breakup with me in this sheet, but bills of different departments, everybody. So let me be very clear that obviously finance is a challenge. It's never easy. And there are different aspects of finance that we have to look at. And finance will always be a challenge. But the numbers have shown that we have spent significantly more than what was done in the past. And there's nothing, no relation of closing the office on 19th with funds not being available. Funds, obviously, as I said, is always a challenge, but we have very judiciously worked towards ensuring that we are able to meet our expenditures in the best possible manner. And we've been very prudent in how we have moved forward. The Christmas days were very simple for us. 19th happened to be a Friday. 20th happened to be a Saturday. And 21st happened to be a Sunday. So normally we close on the 23rd. So we just took the decision because most of the works that need to be done. Let me also share with you that in the last 7.5 years, we've been going through a lot of administrative reforms. We've been also going through a lot of technological interventions. A lot of the work today, is being done in such a manner that there is not as much stress that comes on us on the 20th of December or on the 8th of March, so that we are able to spread out the work that is there and manage our work and manage our pressure better. So, small things like, for example, the e-proposals that we have. That means, proposals that need to be sent, even if the officer is in other corner of the world. He doesn't have to be physically present here for our proposals to be cleared. They will go online, and at any given time from anywhere, the proposals can be cleared. Payments can be cleared. I just want to give an example to you. There was one payment that was there. We were, I think, in Delhi that time, and the concerned officer was sitting right next to me, and he was showing that he was just clearing the payments of some of the casual workers online sitting in Delhi because there was some urgency. So that's how things have reformed. So a lot of work has been structured. And just to share with you that even though our offices were physically shut on the 19th, on 20th, because of the online systems and the different systematic changes we have made, transactions were happening on 20th, on 22nd of December, and even on 24th of December. So the offices were at home, but they were online and making transactions. There was a centrally sponsored scheme transaction that needed to be cleared. That was done on the 24th evening. So hence, I think what is important to note is that, as I said, that it's important to create proper mechanisms in place so that the works are done. And that's what we've been doing. And as I said, we have been also working in such a manner that the pressure does not build up only for Christmas and only before the financial year ending. And we're able to clear the things and schemes well in time and well in advance so that no pressure builds up during that time. I'm not saying that others did not manage well or nothing like that. I'm just telling you how we work. So that's how things are. So there is no major concern, I can assure the people of the state. The money spent, we have been spending judiciously, and the highest expenditure ever in the state's history has taken place during this financial year. So as I said, we're touching almost 24,000 crores till December. And in the month of December alone, we touched an expenditure of 2,000 crores, almost 1,920 plus something. So that's what it is. So I don't want to react to what others are saying, but I'm just giving the facts to you.
Ban yo iki khubor baman kasni, subhawan subscribe ka channel ulong yelang news. Kublai shibu.